Hello guys, in today's course, I'm going to talk about variables in Python part 2. First, I'm going to create a variable called name and I'm going to write input input, put parentheses, and inside the parentheses, I'm going to put quotation marks. Inside the quotation marks, I'll write what is your name. I'll hit the run button and the terminal is asking me for my name. So I'm going to enter Chilion. And after I hit enter, nothing happens as I only asked for my name but haven't printed out the variable. Now I'm going to print the variable name. I'll hit the run button again. What is your name? I'm going to key in Chilion. And as you can see, Chilion is being printed out. If you want to ask the user for a number, you have to use int. Int stands for integer. So you'll write int, then input, and I'll ask the user for their favorite number. What is your favorite number? And I'll print the number. Hit the run button, and as you can see, what is your favorite number? I'll key in 7, and 7 is being printed out. You can also ask the user for true or false. So I'm going to create a variable true or false, and I'll just write input, and inside the quotation marks I'll write true or false. Then I'll print out the variable true or false, hit the run button, true or false. Now I'm going to enter false, and false is being printed out. That's it for today's course. Bye!